Well, it's January 19th, 2022, and thought I'd let you see Lake Worth. And we're headed to the Speedway to pick up some food and drop it off at your door. So I know I've tried this new kind of, I guess, I don't want to call it technique, but you know, where I'm just basically dropping the food off at the door and different welcome mats and different things happen. I'll get to on my next step on what I'm doing. Hang on. Well, Riverside Drive and Beach Street, sometimes you get traffic here, but because they opened the 16B going on Fort Worth Denton right now, it's actually really easier to get over to Denton, and it's getting smoother. So I see what they're doing. I was talking yesterday about construction. I don't know for sure if you know the plans on what they're going to do with 35W going into Denton past the Texas Motor Speedway. I don't know if they're going to maybe do two roads on top of each other, where they're going to stack two roads. I've seen expressways do that because there's ramps and stuff that are leading up on the other side of kind of, well, towards Alliance Airport. So they have, if I go past, there's where a lot of this construction starts right here, you can see, but they have ramps that are halfway built on the other side or on the front side of Alliance Airport. So I'm wondering if they're going to have two roads where the expressway is on 35W to kind of get the traffic moving, because there's a lot of traffic issues on 35W leaving Fort Worth and going towards Denton. This is the exit to get onto 35W. The sign said merge right, and you'll see one of the ramps is coming up this way, but that ramp basically leads out of the express exit right here. And these are the brown and white sign that says Texas Motor Speedway exit 70. That's like every other 2 or 3 miles you see that sign. And here's where the construction is going on, in the middle, these 2 lanes right here, which is probably going to be connected to the expressway. And this looks like a bridge here, which is probably going to go, I'm thinking, across the highway here. And that may be an exit from the speedway that way, right there. Or it's going to go to that bridge, like it'd be similar to this bridge over here. So this is kind of a little mix master that they're creating right over here in front of Alliance Airport over 35. That'll be a new exit headed towards kind of like the Keller area. There's some more construction. You can see the brand Cat for these. Well, we made it to the Speedway. This is January 19th of 2022. Passing all those bulldozers and tractors and backhoes, cement mixers and everything. That's along the FedEx truck in front of me. Looks like someone was drawing on it right here. Some kind of, I don't know what that is. They're like a ghostly smiley face kind of. Exactly what that is. It is a cloud cover day. A little cooler than yesterday. It's 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Supposed to get into the 30s. I brought my coat. Headed to Panda. And they do not open till 5:30. Soy shortage, only 4 soys max. So anyway. The train going through those trees right there. So those are excavators, and this is an old historic train trestle right here. That right there is what they call an excavator. And the construction vehicle that says deer on it, that's called a backhoe, because it has a backhoe on the back side of it. That's a bulldozer. And that right there, kids, is called a crane. See the long structure right there? That's called a crane. Kind of see the trees moving there. There's kind of speaker going right over here. Must be some kind of meeting or something. It's like a speaker or something. It's an apartment complex. I'm gonna see if I have some time for a snack at Buc-ee's. Well, the temperature is dropping. Got to feel the bitter sting of the cold coming up. This is a cold, cloud cover day of what's in my Buc-ee's bag. I just got a kolache, so it's like one of these things right here. Name of the song, Sodium and Cigarettes, and the band is called Half Waif. You can see the wind is picked up right here. Little plastic concrete cover things. They're covering the concrete for the bridge. It's about 5:54. The cloud cover is kind of making it look like it's closer to night than usual. Town of Westlake. So this place serves pizza and Italian food called La Scala. Just kind of hanging out this back lot little area up behind La Scala. It's about 45, maybe 46 degrees. This little hotel over here. So this is kind of a hotel for like business and stuff like that. Kind of see someone hanging over their laptop, probably doing business stuff. And that one is the Marriott at Westlake. So someone over here likes La Scala pizza. Southlake. I think it's this one right there. So it's pretty busy at Sushi Zen Japanese Bistro. That's what that says right there. It's like almost everybody went in there at the same time in the entire town. What's really cool about Sushi Zen is they actually provide these little Hershey chocolates for you while you wait in a little bucket, little glass container. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy myself a little piece of Hershey chocolate here. Take me home, country roads, the place where I belong. According to the song. This was actually by a band called Whitney. As this water is kind of spewing out of this lake, it's like a fountain, kind of rapidly. I saw this drop in this neighborhood. This was really cool looking. It's like a knight with a shield, kind of guarding this lake right here. I thought it was pretty cool. Big order from Del Frisco, everything from tacos to Beyond Burgers. I have to manually count this one down, make sure everything's there. Yeah, some of them you have to like go through and actually manually count down each item. Some you don't. So it's an upper end restaurant, Del Frisco's. So to make sure each thing's there. The wind has really picked up tonight, so it's kind of a change in atmosphere. Very windy. That's Del Frisco's right there. So I'm in Colleyville right now. I'm about to drop off this Del Frisco's.